How to request a ride on Lyft. Requesting a Lyft ride takes just a few taps and let me guide you through it. First, open Lyft on your device. Now tap the Way to box at the top of the screen. Enter your destination address or search for a place. Next, choose your ride type from the option displayed like Lyft, Lyft XL or Lux. Check your pickup location on the map and adjust it if needed by dragging the pin or tapping the location box. When you are ready, tap Select Lyft or your chosen service to confirm your request. You'll see your driver's info and estimated arrival time right away. If your pickup location looks off, make sure location permissions are enabled in your settings. When you're ready in a crowded area, use the in-app chat or call feature to guide your driver. Ever had a tricky pickup? Share your story in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.